Hello my fellow FieldTwinners. Today I want to show you how you can use GitHub Copilot to expand or even implement brand new FieldTwin integration. So what you will need is obviously you will need a GitHub Copilot. You will also need a copy of FieldTwin integration Copilot front-end template. Link is attached to the description. You basically need to just clone this repository. And what we have there is project requirement document where you can use natural language to describe the features that you're looking for in your current or the new integration. Right now it's pretty simple. It uses the API to request all the connections. And in a project requirement document, we will ask to expand it by giving the user ability to compare connections together. So let's see how we can do it. In a Visual Studio Code, you have to navigate to PRD file, which I already did. You can ask Copilot to use this document to generate the code. Make sure you have agent selected. I use as a model Cloud Sonnet 4, but you're probably going to have a success with a different one like GPT 4.1 or 5 even now. So let's hit send and see what's going to happen. Okay, it says it's finished, so let's skip this version. Okay, let's see what do we have. Okay. New buttons, great. Let's click on them. Okay, seems to work. New buttons here as well. Let's see what's we have here. Okay, nicely highlights changes. What is missing as well. Okay, it's great. So as you can see, in this way we can easily modify FieldTwin integration pretty easily, and you don't have to be a developer to do it. You just need to modify project requirement document, use the natural language, and try it out with the FieldTwin application. So I hope you like it. Please comment below if you have any questions. Thank you.